Hi everybody, my name is Ashley Pollard and I am an extension certified artist over in Northern California. And I've been doing hair for over 11 years and I've been specializing in extensions for over 4 years now. And I've tried quite a few different hairlines and have been so impressed with Bohyme, and specifically their new Ethos line has been a game changer for my business. So I have the pleasure of being a brand ambassador with Bohyme. I am so excited and so honored, and we're partnering together because we want to bring to you a series of videos from the stylist point of view and kind of like bringing in other elements of what does the client go through, what will help you as a stylist elevate your service, what's going to help the client have the best experience. If you're a client, how do you get the most out of this hair? What can you do to extend the longevity of your hair? So I'm super honored to be partnering with Bohyme, and stay tuned because we're going to be rolling out a bunch of mini videos on tips, tricks, and just little behind the scenes things on how you can just get the most out of Bohyme and just fall in love with hair extensions from the start of your service all the way until they need new hair. So I'm so excited to bring this to you.